Hey everyone, and welcome to another eyeliner tutorial on hooded eyes. In case you're new here, I'm Haja and I love to help you to improve your makeup skills. In today's tutorial, I'm going for a thick black winged eyeliner on hooded eyes. Usually, for a more decent eyeliner look, I recommend to draw a thin eyeliner on hooded eyes. The reason simply is the excess skin that is covering the eyelid whole or partially, like on my eyes. The issue with the thick and big winged eyeliner on hooded eyes simply is they turn out crooked once the eyes are open. That is why in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to apply a flawless, thick, big, bold eyeliner on hooded eyes. Are you ready to follow me along? Then let's jump straight into this lesson. First of all, I prime my eyes with a thin layer of concealer to neutralize the discoloration of the lid. First of all, I'm going to use the Tartelette palette in Bloom by Tarte and dip in my blending brush into the shade Smarty Pants and apply it all over my lid and try to contour my crease line. I also apply the eyeshadow shade Smarty Pants on one half of the outer lower lash line and create a V shape connecting it to the eyeshadow on top of the lid. Next, I apply the shade Funny Girl around my tear duct and on the next half of my lower lash line. That pop of highlight will open my eyes further. I want my brow bone to look more lifted, hence I apply Funny Girl also under the brow bone. For this look, I'm using the dip-in eyeliner from Essence called Liquid Ink in Black. And the #1 rule is to keep your eyes open while applying the eyeliner. The reason simply is that we can determine how we want our eyeliner to look like on open eyes. Instead of starting to apply the eyeliner on the lash line, we first extend our lash line starting from the outer corner. I recommend not to draw the line longer than the tail of the brows. Then we apply a dot in the center of our lid on top of our lash line. Now we connect the outer line with a dot on the center. That is how the big thick winged liner is drawn. Now look slightly down and you will notice a gap between the wing and the basic line on the center. All you need to do is to slightly look downwards and connect. This looks very similar to our bat wing eyeliner we have created in our previous eyeliner videos, but this one is way bigger and thicker, creating a cat eye effect. Time to fill in the gap while painting the wing evenly. We also line the rest of the lash line starting from our inner corner up to the center, connecting it with the rest of the eyeliner. Next, I apply Creamy Kohl Liner by L'Oreal called Le Kohl by Superliner on my upper lash line to close any gaps between the waterline and my lash line. Now I curl my lashes and apply mascara from Shiseido called Controlled Chaos Mascara Ink. Then I cut my Sosu lashes in the design Holly in half and apply the outer part for more voluminous lifted lashes on the outer part. That emphasizes the cat eye effect further. I press the false lashes with a lash curler to make sure they blend well with my natural lashes. I love my thick bold eyeliner with red lips, so first of all I'm going to start to contour my lips with the Lip Contour by Huda Beauty in the shade Heartbreaker. I fill in my lips with a red lip liner for a more long-lasting result. Then I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in Heartbreaker and apply it all over my lips. Now for a stainless red lipstick application, I recommend you to take a tissue and blot your lips. Once that is done, I like to contour around my lips with a concealer so that they look clean and flawless. Et voila, this is the bold big winged eyeliner on Hidden Eyes. I think this bold winged liner is worth the try. Hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up, comment down below whether you would wear this eyeliner, and subscribe if you haven't yet to not miss on the upcoming helpful tutorials. Thank you!